Hello everyone, my name is Carissa and I'm a summer student at the Markstay-Warren Public Library. Today I'll be showing you a how-to to CLEO, Community Legal Education Ontario. So first we're going to start off by Googling our Markstay-Warren Public Library page. So we're going to type Markstay-Warren Public Library into our Google search bar. Once we've done that, we're going to scroll down and click on the first link, which is our library home. Next, we're going to scroll down and click on our online resources on the left-hand sidebar. Next, we're going to scroll and click on our Law tab. Under our Law tab, you're going to see the CLEO link. This link will take you directly to their website. On the CLEO website, you will find information about Ontario bylaws, regulations, and laws. You will be able to search laws by certain districts, and you will also be able to search by if they're a family law, criminal law, if they're a justice law, or if they are a housing law. You're going to be able to search by types of law, or bylaw, or regulation. If we scroll down again, you're going to be able to see that we have an About section. We have research by topic, language, all the way to Justice website. Then we have research and projects where we have About CLEO, and then we have our About section, which is about, and then all of our team, and then all of that about them, their policies, and their feedback section. Back at the top, we have tabs as well. The tabs are the exact same as the bottom section. In their About, their resources and their training, you have About, their strategy plans, our team, our board, their private policies, and their complaint policies. In their resources, you have all their research topics, their resource topics, and their ESL activities. Then you have your CLEO contacts and CLEO resources. Then your What's New tab is also your What's New box located on the right-hand side. It shows you new changes in the laws, bylaws as well. The CLEO website is useful because it keeps you updated on Ontario laws, bylaws, and regulations that you might not know about. It helps you stay connected to your community. If you have any questions about CLEO or any of our other online resources, feel free to send us an email or contact us at the library through our phone number at 705-599-2665 or 705-599-3009. Thank you all so much for watching our video.